Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the upper button, this one, keep holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds and then you can release the button and your watch should start rebooting. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. After the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds and then you can release it. You should see the AMAZFIT logo. Once you see it, you can wait until the watch is done booting into a system. And we're back into a system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.